We haven't been on a plane for a long time, so this is exciting. From the airport in Menorca, we decided to take the bus, and it was a mistake, as we found out later, because the bus that actually goes to our hotel didn't work on Sunday. If you don't want to rent a car, you can use buses, but be aware that not all the buses work every day. And also, if you want to go somewhere, you'll probably need to use 2-3 buses. So one to the main city and another one to the place where you need to go. And then you'll probably have to wait for 32 an hour between those buses. That's why we needed to use a lot of taxis, and we also used buses too. Yay! We finally got to our hotel, which is situated next to the Cala and Porter beach. So, Menorca is one of the Balearic Islands located in Mediterranean Sea. It has 2 main big cities, Cittadella and Mahon, and we were close to Mahon, so we actually didn't have a chance to go to Cittadella. Even though it is a small island, there is a lot to see. Caves, beaches, lagoons, harbors, hikes. So it's a real paradise for nature lovers. So I hope to show you some parts of it in my next vlogs. And Menorca actually was declared a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1993 because of its beautiful, amazing diversity of flora and fauna. So on the first day when we arrived, we decided to go on a little walk to see the sunset, and it was so beautiful. During those moments, you really realize that, yeah, there may be difficult days, but they will go away, and eventually things will get better. The same way bad things unexpectedly happen to us, I truly believe that good things will also happen unexpectedly too. There are a lot of ways how you can explore Menorca, but one of the best is to start with canoeing. So we set off from our beach in Cala and Porter, and then we were amazed by the beautiful sea, but the main reason was to explore the caves around the coast. A lot of beautiful caves. Most of them you can get out of the kayaks to go sunbathing or snorkeling or just swimming. So we rented the kayaks for 2 hours and it was perfect. The only thing I wished we'd taken the goggles and the mask for snorkeling, because the water is perfect for some diving. But even without it, it was great. So if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the bell button so you don't miss the next episode.